Welcome to a short CORTIME introduction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you how to quickly set up an optimization in SOLIDWORKS using CORTIME. From an open sketch, select the dimensions you want to use and click on Add Variable to send them as variables to the CORTIME task pane. Close the sketch and go to the CORTIME task pane. Inside of the Optimization Variables window, you can change their names, their types, and apply ranges. Once the variables have been set up, it is time to work on the optimization objectives. Drag them from the Optimization Resources window and choose their types, their priorities, and the targets if needed. Click on Optimize. Make sure the optimization algorithm needed is selected and click on Start. That's it! Your optimization is running, and soon you will have your optimal design ready.